Electric cars are everywhere, no longer a niche, but the new mainstream. Just a few years ago, spotting an electric vehicle on the road was a rare event, something that would turn heads. Now, they're a common sight in cities and suburbs alike, quietly gliding past traffic jams and lining up at charging stations. The world is changing and electric cars are leading the charge. For over a century, we've loved the roar and romance of petrol engines, but times are changing fast. The nostalgia for classic cars is still strong, but the reality is that our roads are evolving. The familiar growl of an engine is being replaced by the near-silent hum of electric motors, and for many, that's a welcome change. Concerns about air quality, climate change, and rising fuel prices are pushing us to rethink how we get around. Cities are choking on smog, and families are feeling the pinch at the pump. The environmental impact of traditional vehicles is impossible to ignore, and people everywhere are searching for cleaner, more affordable alternatives. Plugging in your car at night, waking up to a full tank, that's a game changer. No more early morning stops at the gas station. No more worrying about fluctuating fuel prices. Charging at home is convenient, and for many, it's the first taste of a future where mobility is simpler and smarter. EVs promise cleaner air, lower running costs, and a surprisingly fun drive. The instant torque of electric motors means acceleration is quick and smooth, making every trip enjoyable. Families are discovering that electric cars aren't just practical, they're also exciting to drive. With technology that makes every journey easier, governments are pushing for cleaner transport, battery tech is improving, and car makers are investing billions. Incentives and policies are making EVs more accessible, while engineers are working tirelessly to extend range and reduce charging times. The automotive industry is undergoing its biggest transformation in decades, with innovation at every turn. The age of the electric vehicle is here, and it's not just about a new engine, it's a new way of thinking about mobility. Cities are adapting, adding charging infrastructure and integrating electric options into public transport. People are reimagining how they move, combining EVs with bikes, scooters, and shared rides for a cleaner, more connected future. You see EVs everywhere now, from silent sports cars to family SUVs that never visit a petrol station. The variety is staggering, with models to suit every lifestyle and budget. Whether you want speed, space, or sustainability, there's an electric vehicle for you. The conversation has shifted from if to when. People are no longer asking whether electric cars will take over, they're asking how soon it will happen and how they can be part of it. Dealerships are buzzing with questions, and headlines are filled with news of breakthroughs and new launches. It's the biggest shift in personal transport since the assembly line. The way cars are built, sold, and driven is being reinvented, echoing the revolutionary changes of the past, but with a focus on sustainability and technology. Every major manufacturer is betting on electric. From established giants to innovative startups, the race is on to create the best, most affordable, and most desirable electric vehicles. The competition is fierce, and that means better choices for drivers everywhere. The appeal is simple: freedom from petrol, responsibility for the planet. Electric cars offer a chance to break away from the old cycle of emissions and expense, and to embrace a cleaner, quieter, and more responsible way to travel. The future of driving is being rewritten, and it's looking exciting. With every new model, every new innovation, the possibilities grow. The road ahead is open, and the journey is just beginning. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just want a better commute, EVs are impossible to ignore. They're changing the way we think about cars, about energy, and about our impact on the world. The revolution is rolling. Are you ready to plug in? The next chapter of transportation is here, and it's electric. The only question left is, will you be part of it? Pop the bonnet of an electric vehicle, and you're greeted by a scene that's nothing like what you'd find in a traditional petrol or diesel car. Instead of a maze of pipes, belts, and greasy engine parts, you'll see a clean, organized space dominated by high-voltage cables, a large battery pack, and a compact electric motor. There are no pistons pumping up and down, no exhaust pipes snaking their way to the back, and no oil reservoirs to worry about. The heart of the EV is its battery, a massive, high-capacity unit that stores the energy needed to drive. Most electric cars keep this battery under the floor, which not only saves space, but also lowers the car's center of gravity. This design gives EVs a planted, stable feel on the road, making them surprisingly agile and fun to drive, especially around corners. When you press the accelerator, electricity flows instantly from the battery to the motor. There's no delay, no gear changes, just immediate, smooth acceleration that feels almost effortless, and when you slow down, regenerative braking kicks in. This clever system captures energy that would otherwise be lost as heat, sending it back to the battery. It's especially useful in stop-and-go city traffic, making every journey more efficient. There's no gearbox to shift, no exhaust rumbling, and no need for regular oil changes. The result? A driving experience that's clean, quiet, and refreshingly simple. Electric motors deliver their full power across all speeds, so whether you're cruising on the highway or zipping through city streets, the ride is seamless and responsive. Maintenance is minimal too. With far fewer moving parts than a combustion engine, there's less that can go wrong. No spark plugs, timing belts, or exhaust systems to maintain. It's a fundamental shift in automotive engineering, from the oily, intricate complexity of traditional engines to the streamlined, powerful efficiency of electric drive. Yet the magic of driving remains. The thrill, the connection to the road, and the joy of motion are all still there, just delivered in a whole new electrifying form. Welcome to the future under the hood, where innovation meets simplicity, and every drive feels like a glimpse of what's next. The biggest win for EVs? Zero tailpipe emissions, no CO2, no smog, no particulates, just clean air, especially in crowded cities. Imagine city streets without the haze and noise of petrol engines. Every EV on the road means healthier air for everyone. Some worry about electricity sources, but even today, EVs have a smaller carbon footprint than petrol cars, and as the grid gets greener, so do electric cars. Without you lifting a finger, petrol cars pollute the same from day one to the scrapyard. EVs get cleaner as renewables grow. It's a future-proof solution. Your car improves as the world does. Driving electric is an investment in cleaner cities and a healthier planet. It's not just about you. It's about everyone who breathes. That's real impact, every mile. Let's talk money, because EVs can be a smart financial move. When you first look at electric vehicles, the price tag might give you pause. It's true, the upfront cost is often higher than a comparable petrol or diesel car, but that's only part of the story. To really understand the economics, you have to look at the bigger picture, what you spend over the life of the car. Sure, the sticker price can be higher, but running costs are where EVs shine. Over time, the savings start to add up in ways you might not expect. Charging at home is far cheaper than filling up with petrol. Imagine plugging in overnight and waking up to a full tank for just a few pounds or dollars, often less than half the cost of a traditional fill-up. Maintenance? Minimal. No oil changes, fewer parts to replace. Electric motors are simpler, so you'll spend less time and money at the garage. No spark plugs, no exhaust systems, and brakes last longer thanks to regenerative braking. Governments offer tax breaks, rebates, and exemptions from congestion charges. These incentives can knock thousands off the purchase price or put money back in your pocket at tax time. In places like London, EVs dodge hefty daily fees. That means more savings every time you drive into the city, and less stress about surprise costs. Added up, lower fuel, less maintenance, and incentives often make EVs cheaper to own over time. The longer you keep your EV, the more you save compared to a petrol car. The real question isn't what does it cost to buy, but what does it cost to run? Monthly expenses can drop, freeing up your budget for other things. For many, the answer is less than you think. People are often surprised by how affordable it is to keep an EV on the road, especially as energy prices fluctuate less than petrol. The numbers are starting to make sense for families everywhere. More drivers are realizing that the total cost of ownership is what really matters, not just the sticker price. Going electric can be the smartest financial choice on the road, saving you money, time, and hassle, while helping the planet too.